Okay guys, so I just came across a whole bunch of videos on YouTube talking about this video called One Guy, One Screwdriver. And I haven't heard anything about it until tonight, and I don't know anything about what it's about. I just know that there's going to be one guy and one screwdriver. But a lot of people have like these really messed up reactions to it, and I'm going to do this reaction video. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to click on this video, and I'm really scared, but yeah. Oh god. Okay, I'm ready. I just can't think about what one guy's gonna do with the screwdriver. Okay, I'm pressing play. Oh well, for one thing, anyone under the age of 18 should not watch this video. What is he doing? What? What? How did that? Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh! Oh my! Oh my god! What? Ooh, why is it school? Oh my god! What is he thinking about? Oh my god! Oh man, I am traumatized. I don't think I can sleep tonight. That was the worst thing I've ever seen in my life. What is he doing? Oh, what? Oh my god. Don't watch this video. Oh man. I'm not gonna be able to sleep tonight. Oh god. Oh god.